Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Ethereum. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, really do appreciate it. Honestly, across the board here, sharing is caring. I appreciate all the nice comments and the likes that you do on the videos, and obviously sharing the videos in the space as well, which is bringing more people and awareness of crypto basically. And that's what my goal is here. You know, to bring more awareness into the space so people can learn about these crypto cycles and how they work. And you know, the possibilities moving forward, and equally the possibilities in bear markets as well, because those bear markets will come again. Mark my words, they will come. But so far, you know, crypto is not in a bear market. I keep drilling this through to people that we're not in a bear market. There's no bear market here. It was a corrective phase of a bull market, and we're looking at continuation. And right now, Ethereum is almost confirming that for us. Okay, and what you have to remember is Ethereum is king alt. Okay, so effectively you got the king Bitcoin, obviously, and anything else that's not Bitcoin is called altcoin, alternative coin. And Ethereum is the leader. It's ranked number 2 market capitalization. It's an absolute beast, and I've always said this for you in the channel, that you do need to pay attention to Ethereum. It was very lackluster, but right now it's showing signs of enormous strength for continuation of the bull market, and it's got some fantastic upside targets that I've given you. But what I want to do here, just for the naysayers and the bear market callers, is show you why, you know, Ethereum is painting a fantastic signal here, and a potential big X to the bear market scenario that a lot of people, I know you're still feeling anxious and conscientious about the fact that we could be in a bear market or potentially enter one. There is still the possibility, okay, but I'm going to show you something right now that Ethereum is doing, which is extremely bullish. Okay, so the chart on the left here is Ethereum versus USD, okay, in current time frame. This is today, and these are the weekly candles. The chart on the right here is Ethereum of the previous blow off top, the previous cycle top, the bull market mania top, when Ethereum, I was part of all this. I've been around in crypto for many years, and I know I experienced this, and we topped out there, and within weeks we were down here. You know, this capitulation where you lost this low here, and we went lower, and we absolutely capitulated here. You know, towards the end of the year, there in December, I remember it very well. You know, what a fantastic opportunity just there. Okay, for those that you know and are aware in the channel, you know, this is a massive death cross. This is a sell and go to the beach signal, but I would have been giving you the pre-signals before that, to be honest with you, because you're losing key levels of structural support. Okay, things that you've not done here for Ethereum. Here, you're losing it. Look, this is what a blow off top looks like. You know, this is a dead cat bounce. I'm going to show you in a moment. But right after that, you know, we went sideways, and we got the beautiful buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid just there. Fantastic continuation, bull market, and that's what we've been in ever since that signal right there. Obviously, we've had ups and downs, you're fully aware, but right now this is a blow off top. Okay, look at this. This is a blow off top. Let me explain this to you. So you have this parabolic meteoric rise, and you come down, you make a low, and then you come up to a level, and you get rejected, and you roll, and that's your confirmation. You know, you're losing structural support just there. Effectively, one big, massive descending triangle, making these lower highs, rolling over, losing key levels of support. Bear market. At that point there, I would have said to you, look, you've lost key levels of support, you're creating lower lows, you're losing your structural support of a continuation of the uptrend. Bear market, and look, boom, capitulation. You got the bear market right there. Okay, the bear was here, and he was here to stay. You know, and even here, I'll be honest with you. Okay, this is why I use these EMAs. You'll see a lot of technical analysis on that using moving averages, but in my opinion, moving averages are lagging indicators. Use the EMAs, the exponential moving averages, because they are leading indicators. Okay, they're more almost pegged to the price. You know, they're not absolute constant, but they do paint a really good picture in my book. And right here you can see with this particular blow off top, because this has been a bit of a blow off top, a correction, a hefty correction. You know, Ethereum got a little bit overextended, it came down to a key level support, you came down and you've made the structure look of a potential bear market, but you never lost it. You created three triple bottom, basically, you know, rock solid bottom. And what have you done? You've broken out a key level resistance, which I've already shown you. Okay, you now have a destination to come back up to where you formed the high. You're fully aware of that in the previous Ethereum videos, and right now Ethereum is on its way. So if Ethereum comes up right now, and it is showing signs that it will, No bear market. No bear market for alts. Continuation for Ethereum and altcoins, and obviously the crypto markets. So Ethereum is front running the recovery right now. Okay, so you do need to pay attention to this, because in my opinion Ethereum is absolutely mega bullish, and there's no reason why it shouldn't be. So ignore the bear market and the naysayers, because we've already painted the fact that we're not in a bear market or going to enter a bear market. Okay, I can't say with 100% certainty until we break this high, but Ethereum is looking extremely bullish, because here you came down, you made a low, you made a high, you know, boom, you've lost support, you go short. Bear market. Okay, do you see that? Because in bear markets you have whopping corrections. For Ethereum and altcoins it's roughly 90%, and you can see, look at that, boom, 95% down to there. Okay, now this particular correction was quite high because we got really overextended, and as you're fully aware there's a bit of manipulation at play here. So we had an average. It's not good though, is it, if you bought in at the top here? But this is what I say to you about buying big green candles. You get big red diddles. Look at them big green candles. Okay, you get shafted. But I want to reassure you that Ethereum is looking really, really strong. You've broken out of a multi-month level of resistance right here. You're starting to paint some beautiful pictures. And like I said to you, I'm going to remind you about the EMAs, okay? Because the EMAs are so important. Even at this point in the previous blow up top, I would have been saying to you, you've lost a key EMA right here on the weekly time frame. You've come down below the 55 EMA. This is very, very bearish for crypto, for Bitcoin, and for Ethereum, most importantly, because this is a project that's painted the signal. This is a very, very bearish signal. You've came up, you've hit a level of resistance, and then you've lost support. Go short. Bear market. Okay, not here. There's no bear market here, and I want to reassure you of that. But again, I've not got a crystal ball, and all I do is say what I see. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to express here, okay? Because there's another little signal that I'm going to show you right now that Ethereum's doing. Okay, so I like to use Fibonacci on this channel here. It's massive. Get Fibonacci in your charts. Okay, don't overcomplicate your charts. That's another thing, but definitely get some fibs in your charts. So just there you can see you've come up, you've made a high, and you're starting to come down. You made a low, and you're starting to retrace to the high. This is called retracing. If you break the high, you're looking at a new impulsive move up to the upside, and potentially if Ethereum would have carried on here with the continuation of the trend, you would have broke these levels of resistance, and you would have come up and you would have met that target. But no, you roll over and you enter the bear market. Okay, so look, you retraced all the way up from this high, you came down, you made a low, and you retraced to the golden ratio just there, the 0.618, at which point you got rejected. There is your confirmation of a dead cat bounce. Okay, it's called a dead cat bounce. Usually you do see them come up to around about 50%, but a lot of the times, like I said to you, it's so important you see that level gets broken, the golden ratio, because if you do start to see the golden ratio broken and held and back to support, it increases the probability of creating a reversal wave and a continuation of the trend and a new impulsive wave to your highs there on your Fibonacci extension. Really, really is that easy. Okay, so you can see, even that is confirmation in itself. You got rejected, you started to roll, you lost your key level support, bear market, dead cat bounce. Yeah. So using fibs on this particular trend just there, we've got that local low just there, and right now we are starting to retrace, and you can see on the weekly time frame we're already getting above the 0.618, the golden ratio, because this is how strong Ethereum is. Okay, look, you've not even come down or lost a 55 EMA, which you did in this blow off top. You're coming up, you're retracing to a beautiful level of resistance. Look, you can see that the levels that you're hitting. I mean, last week you hit the 0.50 and then you rolled back down and you bounced up to 0.382 for continuation, and right now you're getting through the 0.618. Now I'm not saying, please don't be disillusioned here, I'm not saying we're completely out the woods, because there is the possibility you could get rejected here and then enter a bear market. I'm saying it's looking extremely strong. You're above the EMAs on the 20, okay, on the weekly time frame. You're coming up, you're breaking the golden ratio right now. If you run into the 0.786, okay, and you start to roll back and hold the 0.618 as support, boom, there's your golden ticket, because you are looking at a minimal 7,881 Ethereum token price tag in the next impulsive wave up of this bull market, where I do expect you to retrace with continuation for Ethereum. But again, not financial advice, but so far so good. This is, if you've been watching the Bitcoin videos and all my other videos, I've been telling you, you need to pay attention to Ethereum. It's the king of the alts, and when the king of the alts starts doing things like this, This is confirmation of the you know, that you're not going to enter that bear market. And this is another thing I want to stipulate on the channel. Okay, I don't know why people tell you we're in a bear market. I don't get it. Okay, you're in a corrective phase of a bull market. If you'd have lost this key levels of structural support, come down here and rolled over and start losing these lows, you know, 1, 2, 3 lows, yes, bear market. You entered a bear market just there. So I think that people are telling you you're in a bear market in this sort of situation here are noobs. I'm just going to call it what they are. They're noobs. Anybody that said you were in a bear market here is an absolute noob. Okay, so yeah, that's my argument to all the bear market and the naysayers here, that we're in a bear market. At the minute, there's no bear market here. Corrective phase, broken out key level resistance just here for Ethereum, and this is where we're looking for the continuation. And Ethereum is doing nothing but painting beautiful continuation patterns, breaking key levels of resistance. You know, if we can continue to do this and hold them as support, this is where you're looking at continue of the bull for Ethereum and a minimal 7881. And you know, if you want to dive deeper, I've got other Ethereum videos where you will potentially see, the upper projections for Ethereum that we do target in this channel. But I just want to assure you, so far so good. What day is it today? Sunday. So hopefully we're going to get the close today above the 0618, open the week above that and march on towards the 786. But I want to reassure you, if you do roll back here, because you are quite overextended on the EMAs here, look, if you do roll back and you can come back down to this 20, wow, what an opportunity to get involved right here. Until we start creating structures like this, you know, big descending triangle, resistance, 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 lose support, bear market confirmation. Here, you've broken out of a key level of resistance. You know, if you'd have lost it here, bear market. But no, you broke it. You're coming up. You're breaking through levels of resistance. This is golden. And that's why you'll always hear me saying it's golden. I'll always tell you what to see. I won't feed you no bullshit or bear market hopium like the bear market crawlers, okay? Take care, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on Ethereum. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Most importantly, stay tuned. No, not most importantly, but yeah, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Hope you had a really good weekend. See you in a week. Bye-bye.